Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your girl Nessa, and today we are going to be doing a 5 product makeup tutorial. So if you want to keep your makeup at a minimal, or if you're a beginner and you don't want to go out and buy a whole bunch of makeup products and you just want a simple, nice, everyday look, then this is the video for you. But before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that whenever I post new videos, y'all will get a notification on your phone, your computer, your tablet, whatever it is that you use to watch YouTube. Okay. Alright guys, so I already washed and moisturized my face, so we are just going to get to the point, okay? I did put some Vaseline on my lips to keep them moisturized. So initially I did say 5 products, but it might be 6 because I feel like lipstick, lip gloss, lip balm, whatever it is that you use is a part of it. I mean, gives you a full face, but let's see in the end of this video. So we are not going to be using primer today. Like I said, we are using 5 products. We're keeping it at a minimum, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with my foundation. Now the foundation that I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Infallible foundation 24-hour fresh wear. It's a little upside down. And this is in the shade where's the it's right on the front of it. It's 511. Actually, this is a new foundation that I am also trying out. I've never used it before. It's a little on the It's a little runny, but that's alright. Now we are going to be doing it a little bit different today. I'm going to take a blending sponge, and this blending sponge is from Real Technique. I had to buy a new one because the one I had before, I don't know if I throw it away or if I misplaced it or whatever. But we are going to use this sponge to apply our foundation today. And I want to let you know that this sponge is damp, okay? I feel like it did a pretty good job covering up my spots, but I'm going to go back in with one more layer, just one more layer. Alright, next we're going to go in with some concealer, and the concealer we're going to be using is from CoverGirl, and this is their True Blend Undercover concealer, and this is in the shade Golden. So we are going to go ahead and blend out under the eye. So we are going to put a little bit on our nose and down here. You know, sometimes I forgot that I'm actually doing a talk through. It is just so easy to concentrate on just applying the makeup and forget to actually say what you're doing. Alright, but what I did was just apply some concealer under my eyes, blend it out under my eyes. I also applied a little bit to my nose, and I'm just blending it out of my nose as well. And then whatever that's left on the sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend that on my forehead. And of course, I blended it on the chin as well. Alright, I'm going to go with the edge of the sponge. I'm going to blend around the concealer, just so everything looks nice and blended. Alright guys, so next we're going to go in with some setting powder, and this is a Airspun loose settings powder. Alright, I'm going to go in with the Airspun loose settings powder. I said it again, oh my god. The Airspun loose setting powder. Oh my god, I suck. I don't know if y'all can see it, it's just hella bright. Woo. So I'm just going to go back under my eye. Make sure that it's smooth, and then I'm going to dip the sponge right in there, and we are going to press that under the eye. Alright, now we're going to go in with a brush. We're going to dip it in the powder, and we are going to just push the powder into the skin. And this is just on the highlighted areas only. Alright, I'm going to smooth out the eyelid again. And we're going to make sure that we set it. Now we are going to go ahead and we are going to contour our cheek, and we're going to use the Black Radiance True Complexion palette from Dark to Deep, and we are going to take the Sculpt shade, and we are going to use that to contour the hollows of our cheek. And we want to take it up into our highlight a little bit as well. And we're going to go around the forehead. And we're going to run the brush on our nose just to contour it. Alright, now we are going to highlight the cheekbone, and we are going to use the highlight shade in that same palette. I'm going to highlight the nose, brow bones. Alright guys, so we are going to move on to the eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, we didn't do them originally because I don't do my brows really these days. So I am going to just take the contour shade in the palette, and I'm going to gently or lightly fill the brows in. Alright, that's it for the brows. Now we are going to do some eyeshadow. Now we are going to take the Sculpt shade, and we are going to blend that in the crease. Alright, now we're going to go into the contour shade. We're going to lightly tap the brush in there, and we are going to blend that on the outer corner of our eyelid. And we're going to blend it in the crease a little bit. So just deepening out the outer corner. we're going to take our finger and we are going to take some of the highlight shade and we are going to blend that on our eyelid. Going back in with the blending brush. Alright, we're going to go back in the sculpt shade and we're going to take this little flat eyeshadow brush and we are going to smudge that under our waterline, or should I say bottom lashes. Now with that, next we are going to go ahead and apply some mascara. The mascara is from L'Oreal and this is their Voluminous Paradise, Flash Paradise mascara. So this is my go-to mascara, otherwise from my Too Faced Better Than Sex. Alright, we're going to go in with a second quote because we ain't wearing lashes today. Alright, I'm going to apply some mascara to the bottom lashes. Alright guys, so this is basically it for the look. Like I did say before, I think that lipstick should go in it, so I'm going to apply some lipstick, and this is from EB Beauty or IB Beauty. It's IBY, and this is in the shade Nude, and this is a matte lipstick. And alright guys, so this is the finished look for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, go ahead, give it a thumb up. And I want to let you guys know that if you want to like just keep your makeup on a minimal, you don't have to go out there and buy a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, it was nice and simple, and I enjoyed making this video for you guys. So if you want to see me do anything else here on my channel, please go ahead, comment down below, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and also share and encourage your family and friends to follow me. Alright guys, so I hope that you guys like this video, and I'll see y'all in the next video.